Okay. Good morning, students. Our next topic of motion chapter is average speed. The formula of average speed is total distance covered over total time taken. In previous chapter, you learn about speed. That is the formula of distance over time taken. But in average speed is total distance covered over total time taken. I give you example, then you clearly understand. Okay. The distance traveled by a person, for example, a distance traveled by a person 50 kilometer in 1 hour and 100 kilometer in 2 hours. The formula is total distance over total time taken. That means a person cover total distance 50 plus 100 and over time taken, total time taken, that means 1 hour plus 2 hours. Okay, then we apply a formula. In this formula we know about the average speed. Okay, our next topic is uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay, uniform motion. If an object cover equal distance in equal duration of time, that is called uniform motion. For example, if a person cover equal distance in equal time of interval, that is called uniform motion. I give you example, then you clearly understand. For example, if a person start his journey in 6 a.m. then after 1 hour he completed 60 kilometer. Then in next hour he cover 60 kilometer. Then in next hour 1 hour he also cover 60 kilometer distance. That means in equal duration, every half 1 an hour he cover 60 kilometer. That means in equal distance cover in equal time interval. That is called uniform motion. That next one is non-uniform motion. Then you understand by the name. Non-uniform motion means there is no uniformity in distance. Like if an object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, that is called uniform motion. I give you example. For example, a time taken. In a first 5 minutes a person cover distance 3 kilometer. In next 5 minutes he cover 1 kilometer. In next 5 minutes he cover 3 kilometer. Means in equal interval of time he cover unequal distance. For example, in first interval he cover 3 kilometer, second interval he cover 1 kilometer, and in third interval he cover 3 kilometer. That means there is no uniformity in distance travel. That is called non-uniform motion. Okay, now students, our last topic of this chapter is weight. Okay, weight. What is weight? It is the measure of the pull of earth with which it attracts an object towards its center is called weight. That means a pull of gravity. You know about the earth has a gravitational force. That means that force is applied on every object or humans. That is called weight. The formula of weight is mass into gravity. The formula of weight is mass into gravity. That gravity is a universal constant. That means the earth pull force, that is called gravity. Okay, unit of weight is Newton. Then the symbol of this is N. We represent it by N. Okay, another unit of weight is